garage space. 85% done for a workspace. I still need to find a few homes for some things, but that's where I wanted to get it to a usable point to finish some projects to make the space even better, which includes I got a few more pieces of equipment to put casters on. I want to put casters on everything so I can roll things around because I don't have that big a space. It's only about, well, half of a 2-car garage, the front half. I gotta attach a steel plate to my workbench, build a hammer rack, build a tong rack. I want to put a pegboard on my workbench over there, so I can have more spaces to hang stuff up. I gotta replace my whip on my welder, hang a fire extinguisher because at some point something's gonna catch on fire in here. I want to hang a partition kind of behind me between the stuff that we keep for the house that's just kind of storage and the workshop to keep as much dust and fumes and chaos and fire and sparks limited to the front half of the garage. I gotta mount my table vise, put some rigidizer on the wool refractory that's on the inside of my forge, and replace a gauge on my oxygen tank for my oxyacetylene cutting. I'm sure there will be more to come, but that's enough to keep me busy for a while. So that's what we're going to start with.